Hi guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the finale for my year-long Project Pan for 2020, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I had a really good Project Pan year, so I will do a little bit of a recap at the end, but I was only working on 8 products currently, so I will just update you on those right now. The first one I hit my goal on quite a few months ago. I just wanted to hit pan on this bronzer, and it is the Becca Bronzer in Bali Sands. But I just wanted to continue to use it and see if I could expand the pan. It wasn't expanding, but this time it finally did expand slightly. I only used it 6 times, but this is what this is looking like now. The product is pretty thin around the center of the pan. So if I continued to use this, I think the pan would expand fairly quickly. But I will be focusing on some different bronzers in my Project Pan for 2021. But I am glad that I did hit pan on this one. The next product I was still working on was in here from the very beginning. And this is the only one that has been in here from the very beginning. And it was my Clinique lip liner. Last time I set a goal to use that 8 times and I used it 12. But it is not finished. This is how much is left. Such a little itty bitty amount. And I will be rolling this product into my Project Pan for next year. So stay tuned for that. I think this will take me a couple more months to finish. But yeah, it took me forever to finish this, but I used it so many times this year. But I do have progress lines for that one. And I started all the way up here, and you can see all my updates, and this is the 7th update, the finale down here. So that's how much I have left. So definitely a few months left worth, I would say. But I am pretty close to finishing that, and that will definitely be done by next year in my Project Pan. So again, I'm really happy with that. The next product is something I am so close to finishing, even more close than that eyeliner. And this is a mini lipstick from Bite Beauty in the shade Honeycomb. I'm wearing it today on my lips and on my cheeks as a blush. And I'm so close. I'm so bummed that I couldn't finish this. I think there's probably like 10 more uses left on this, but this will be done so quickly. So I am really glad I made so much progress on this. I really was hoping that I could finish this time. So I put my usage goal pretty high, so I wanted to use it 16 times, and I did, but I still did not finish it. I also have progress lines for this one. It's kind of messy, but like, I put this in at the 3rd update. This is where I started, and I'm down here right now. There's so little left. This will definitely, again, be a product that I will finish next year. The next product is my Becca Primer. My goal was to use it 10 times. I actually only used it 6, and it is completely finished. So I am really happy to have this done. I did cut it open just to see if there's anything else I could get out of it, and there wasn't. But yeah, I am glad to have finished this completely. The next product is a setting mist. It is my L'Oreal Lumi Setting Mist, and I wanted to use this 10 times, and I did. And I did not finish this. This is where I was the first time I put it in. This was the last update, and this is where we are now. There's not a whole lot left. I didn't think I would be able to finish this by the end of the year, but I'm still happy with the progress I made. And again, this is something that I will be rolling over and should be done fairly soon into the next year. The next product was a perfume, and I wanted to use it 15 times, and I used it 29 times, so I'm really happy with that. This is the perfume. It's called the Rebel. And my goal for this, I put it in pretty late in the project. I didn't draw lines on it, but my goal was I wanted to get down to the top of the label, which I didn't, but I did get, like, again, a lot of good use on this. So I am still pretty happy with that. I really do love this perfume. And then the next product was my e.l.f. lip scrub, and it was so close to being done last time. There was just an itty bitty amount left, and I wanted to use this 8 times, and I used it 7 times, and it is completely done. As you can see, it's flat. I really did like this. I got another one of these for Christmas in the rose scent, and that one so far doesn't work as well as this one. I think this one is it just says clear, but for some reason this seems to work better. I'm not sure why, but I really enjoyed using that, and I'm glad I finished that one up. And the last product I had was a body spray. I didn't put a usage goal, and I don't keep track of my usage on this, but I do have tally marks. And again, this is something I didn't think I would finish either, but I did make some more progress on it. I started up there. That was the last update, and now I'm here. I didn't make as much progress, but I'm still really happy with it. And again, this is something that I will finish next year. So overall, I am really happy with my project. I have either like hit pan on or completely finished up 18 products, so that is really exciting. I hit pan on a Tarte blush. I finished a concealer. I finished a color corrector. I hit pan on another blush and another highlight. I finished a brow gel. I hit pan on a ColourPop Super Shock shadow. I finished a Clinique mini lipstick. I hit pan on my Becca bronzer. I finished my Morphe setting spray. I finished a full-size perfume. I finished my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I finished another mini primer. That was the No Problem primer. I finished a full-size body spray. I hit side pan on my Wet n Wild contour shade. I finished up MAC mini lip gloss, and then I finished up my Becca primer and my lip scrub. So overall, it has been a really successful 2020 Project Pan, and I can't wait to start my new one. The intro to that video should be up in just a couple of days, so definitely stay tuned for that one. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.